How to fix WavePad not responding? First of all, if WavePad is not responding or freezing on your computer, don't worry. There are simple steps you can try to fix this issue. Start by closing WavePad completely using Taskbar on Windows. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Find WavePad in the list, select it and click In Tasks. Next, restart your computer to clear temporary system glitches that might cause WavePad to freeze. Once restarted, try running WavePad as an administrator by right-clicking the WavePad icon and selecting Run as Administrator. This can solve permission issues. If WavePad still doesn't respond, go to the Help section within the program and check for updates to make sure you have the latest version installed. You can also visit the official WavePad website to download the newest update or reinstall the program to fix any corrupted files. Also make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for WavePad and that your operating system is up to date. If the problem continues, try disabling any antivirus or firewall temporarily, as this may block WavePad's processes. Lastly, check for conflicting software running in the background that may affect WavePad's performance and close unnecessary programs. And that's it. Now you know how to fix WavePad not responding issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.